In this lesson, we're going to be adding some 2x4 lights to the ceiling grids in each room. Then we're going to place some wall sconces in the corridors. Let's light this candle, literally. As mentioned, lights are smart, right down to the foot candle counts. It's time to go through our model and place troughers in the ceilings by doing nothing more than adding a component. The objective of this exercise is to finish our ceilings and to place some sconces along the corridors. Open the file you've been working on, or open the file called Chapter 10 and follow along. Here's an example of the lights we're going to be putting in. We'll have one here, of course, and we're just going to start slapping them into the rooms. Down the corridor walls, we're going to have sconces. So if we take a look up the corridor, I'll simply just give you a camera view to see what these sconces are going to look like. Kind of neat. In the project browser, under Ceiling Plans, go down to Level 1. Let's start adding some lights. Zoom in on this wall here. What I want to do, on the Architecture tab, click Component. On the Modify Place Component tab, on the Mode panel, click Load Family. Browse to Lighting. Browse to Architectural. Browse to Internal. Let's scroll down till we see Trougher Light 2x4 Parabolic. Click Open. Place it in your ceiling as shown. Hit Escape a couple times. Go to the Modify tab. On the Modify tab, click the Align button, or type AL. Click this line here, and click the line on your trougher. Click this line here, then click the face of your light. It's never a good idea to lock your lights into place into a ceiling. If they ever turn the ceiling back around, it kind of explodes. Hit Escape a couple times. Right click on this light and create similar. What I like to do is put one in, hit Escape, align, hit Escape, and now it's copy time. Select one of these lights and start copying it around your model. Make sure multiple is selected. Make sure you pick a good base point because you're going to be copying this quite a bit. Now I'm going to place one in each room. Notice I'm skipping the vertical rooms. Once you're done with the horizontals, start with the verticals. I'm going to create similar. I'm going to pop one in. I'm going to select one of them. I'm going to hit my space bar and rotate it. Now I'm going to align it to one of my grids. Now I'm going to copy this light around multiple times. Once your lights are in, hit Escape. Now let's add some sconces to the hallways. On the Architecture tab, click Component. On the Mode panel, click Load Family. Scroll down to Lighting, then to Architectural, then to Internal. Let's scroll down till we find Sconce Light, Uplight, and select that. Let's start placing them in our corridors, between the doors, one on each corner. Between the doors, on the ends, and down through this corridor.